Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring Vscode and a modern Powershell are installed. This lets you run scripts reliably. Once done, open Vscode and press Ctrl backtick to reveal the integrated terminal immediately. Make sure to look for the terminal drop-down caret next to the plus icon. That's where you select shells. You're doing this now so the rest of the setup is fast. Follow along and don't skip confirming the installed Powershell version before changing shells. Next, set Powershell as your default. Click the terminal drop-down, choose Select Default Profile and pick Powershell or PowerShell, PWSH, depending on what you installed. Once selected, close the terminal pane and reopen it so the change takes effect. Alternatively, type PWSH and press Enter to start it immediately. You'll now have PowerShell as your integrated shell, which ensures commands, script debugging, and extensions use the right runtime. Make sure the prompt shows PowerShell to confirm success. To finish, install the PowerShell extension so you get syntax highlighting and debugger integration. This makes development smoother. Then verify execution policy with getExecutionPolicy, and if scripts are blocked, run setExecutionPolicy, remote signed as administrator to allow local scripts. If you don't see PowerShell in the terminal choices, open Settings and set Terminal. Integrated. Default profile for your platform to the PWSH executable path that fixes missing or custom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.